It's early on a Saturday morning and we love garage sailing on Saturday mornings. So I wanted to take you guys out with me as we haven't really done that on this channel yet. One of our friends lives in a neighborhood that does these big community garage sales like twice a year. And we went with her last year and it was so much fun because there was like 40 or 50 different houses putting on sales at the same time. And we were just running from house to house and then also like looking up the addresses on the community website just to see if we could hit up every single one. And we found some cute stuff, nothing major, but it was just a really fun experience. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me just in case we find something good for my bedroom, crossing my fingers, also just to see what's out there. So let's go see what I can pick up. So we're starting off strong here with the very first garage sale that has a bunch of really great stuff like this table. We've been looking for something like this for so long for our backyard just to have some extra seating, so we definitely picked that up. And then we originally saw that mirror in the first shot, and I actually needed a mirror for my bedroom as well, so we took that home too. I've talked about before updating the most mundane things in your home to make it look a little bit more well designed, and I feel like salt and pepper shakers are no exception. I actually have a couple of them that I really like. I also thought these plastic bowls might be great for like a future thrift flip, but I didn't take them home. Well, we've just picked up a really cute table for the backyard. I have an idea of where I can put that. And then a mirror for the bedroom for only 20 bucks. So hopefully it works out. I probably have too many frames at home to pick from, but I do want something more specific in the primary bedroom, and that chrome one was exactly something I was looking for, especially with the inclusion of like the blue color, so I definitely took that home. And although I'm still trying to get through my thrift flip box, I'm always keeping my eyes peeled for items like this that have interesting shapes so that I can make some cool decor projects in the future. So what would you have made with those little thread spools? Let me know in the comments below.
Hi, how are you? Oh, those. Things?
They hold a pot. It's hot.
Oh, okay. They're interesting looking. I think my grandma had these. I love those. These look like roses. So I got 3 frames for $2 and I love this one. I think it's my favorite one so far. It does need a little bit help in the corner, but I'll fix it. And there is nothing at this last one, but we're gonna keep on looking. So we've gone to, I think, 4 by now. Lemons, and this is sage. This is cute with the little frogs.
So this woman had some really awesome furniture pieces, art, and also decor. However, you can see there's a pile in the bottom right corner here, and this woman, who I think was an antiques dealer or reseller, was just swiping up all the good stuff super quick and putting it in her pile. So unfortunately, most of the stuff I liked was something that she had already tagged, and everything else maybe either wasn't my vibe or I didn't need it. I really did love all the art here though, and I thought it was super interesting, and the frames were great as well.
Yeah, I guess so.
I did love this really great wardrobe piece, but I do think I want something a little bit more rectangular and lower, but I love the style of this so much. I think for $200, I wouldn't be that happy with it.
So there was a lot of really good stuff at that last one, but this lady, I think she was definitely like a dealer or a reseller, whatever you want to call it, and she took all the good stuff. But I think we're going to a next one that has a ton of stuff, so hopefully I can find something here.
I I know that one reason I do love going to garage sales as well as estate sales is I love architecture and interior design, and I just love to see how people have landscaped their front yards and what kind of tile they're using, and just getting ideas for when that one special day comes along when I can hopefully afford my own home. And I would love to buy the one that I'm in now and just totally fix it up the way that we would love. But this is kind of my way of getting to kind of house shop without actually having to like think about spending the money.
These are cool. A solar powered counter.
Oh, yeah, glass chest. That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is like nice Christmas fabric.
Oh, this is my sister. Oh, we've known each other for 20 years.
Every time I see really cool pieces of furniture like this that are really cheap, I want to take it home and flip it and resell it for money, but I don't know if I have the time or commitment to do that all the time. However, it might be really nice to fix up some nice quality pieces and put them back out in the world so that more people can enjoy them.
So pretty.
I kept looking for some art because I always have a really hard time finding art secondhand. I usually just like the frame and not the art in it. I kind of like these. They were a little bit different and I probably could be convinced to put them somewhere in the home. But I am always kind of maybe looking for something more minimal and graphic and modern. But I did think that these were really pretty, and the frame on this one is just absolutely gorgeous.
I'm sure garage sailing is an aggressive sport. I've always wanted to have one of these and turn it into a clock. Okay, I don't know how many we've been to, maybe like 10 or something, and I think only like a couple of them have been really good, so we're going to another big one. 3 microwave. mom had art like this in our house. Almost, it's probably the same thing. This is cute. Oh my gosh. These are kind of interesting. Alrighty, we've been doing this for like, I think like 2 hours or so, and we might call it. There's a bunch more, but a lot of them also didn't have anything. I honestly don't know how many we've been to so far. I'm gonna have to like look through the footage to see. But the last one I went to that was a bigger one, I got a really cute like milking stool that I could like put in a bathroom or something. And then a really pretty like cast iron, I guess a sconce. And this woman said it was like made in the Czech Republic, but it looked really Spanish. So I'll have to show you guys that stuff later. But we're gonna see if there's anything else out there that's worth going to. Otherwise, I will meet back with you at the house to show you my haul. Okay, we are finally back at the house, and I am just going to like rest for a minute because that was so many garage sales, so much talking, but I have a really good haul that I will show you in a minute. I did not find any really great furniture for the bedroom, unfortunately, but I did find a really cool mirror, so I'll show you that. So this is the mirror we picked up for our bedroom. I really like the height of it. I think we're going to mount it on the wall as it has hangers, and it's got like a chrome border, and it's just super minimal and easy, and it's just something that we needed for the bedroom. This was 20 bucks, and then the table outside we got for 20 bucks as well. Okay, this really cool hook that I was telling you about, this woman said it's from the Czech Republic in the mid-century era. It is made out of definitely cast iron, and it's got a really nice kind of rusted patina, and I just feel like it totally like matches the vibe of the house. Like chic, like what if I put it here? Like I'm kind of obsessed with that actually. I don't know how comfortable I am with actually putting candles on these, but you know, it is like kind of dangerous, but this is kind of cool, honestly. This is the next thing I got at that place where I got the candle sconce. This is like a little milking stool. She said it used to have like bars with like a back, and it was just this small little milking stool, and she's had it since God knows when is what she said. But it's really old and it's really nice, and I feel like it could easily just be refinished, just take some of the paint off, and it's really wobbly, but I could basically just, you know, use it as like a little plant stand or a candle stand or something in the bathroom. So I thought this was definitely worth picking up, as these end up usually being worth something even if I ended up reselling it, but I kind of like it, and I even really kind of like this part about it. I think it's interesting. These all came from the same house. This guy gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, all of them for 10 bucks. And he said he's had these since like the 40s or 50s. I really love this one. I love the shape on it. It feels super mid-century and cool. And it could be like a cute little like bud vase. And then this I'll definitely use in the room on my dresser for my rings. I think this is so cute. I love that. It looks really handmade. So you can even see that it's like made on the wheel. And then this is really nice. I love the color, and I kind of liked these two or these three kind of as like a set or something. I love this one, I think, the most. It's just so pretty and so handmade. It's got a really pretty artist stamp on the bottom, and I love this like pattern on top. This is just such a nice piece, and I could absolutely use this as a bud vase as well, or just super decoratively. I really love it. And then this one, I forget what kind of pottery this is called, but it came with this little cap, and I think it's like a Native American type pottery. I'm not sure. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think this is really pretty as well. I probably would just use it without the cap, or with the cap, I guess, decoratively, like maybe in the kitchen or something, but absolutely amazing. All for 10 bucks. This was such a good deal. So this is the table we got. We just put it out in the yard really quick to see how we like it and where we want it. We would definitely have to clean this area up, but I really love it. It's in really good condition, and it's super sturdy, and I love the tiles and the color. There's just a little bit of discoloration here, but honestly, it's totally fine. These are usually like $200 on Facebook Marketplace. So this was a great steal for 20 bucks. He gave it to us for 20. And then these are some of the frames I got. So I really love this yellow one. It's kind of got like a felt or velvet type interior, which is really pretty. I've never seen one like this before, and I love the shape of it. Just needs some cleaning up. Love this one. It just needs a little bit of a repair. So maybe we'll do like a frame video, and I'll show you how I repair and mat all of my frames at some point. And then this one I love too. It's just super clean and simple. And all of these she gave me for $2. So this was a great deal.
I think that's everything I got from the community garage sale. If not, I'll show you in a later video. But I think the one thing I'm most stoked about is the table in the backyard. We're actually planning a barbecue and having some people over, I think for July 4th. So we're planning on like totally finishing as much as we can in the backyard to kind of make it feel a little bit more finished, I guess. And I am currently filming all of that and doing a backyard update for you guys because there are tons of new plants and we just harvested a bunch of stuff. So I can't wait to show you all that. But other than that, I will catch up with you guys in the next video. See you later.